70s. The current time is 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK-29 in Abilene, Texas, the voice of the National Weather Service. The Abilene climate summary for this evening as of 5:15 p.m., December 24th, 2021. Today's high temperature was 87 degrees. The normal high is 58. Today's low temperature was 59 degrees. The normal low is 34. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.05 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 24.43 inches. The record high for tomorrow is 76, which last occurred in 1942, and the record low is 6, which occurred in 1983. Sunset tonight is at 5:39 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:38 a.m. At 5 p.m., at Abilene, skies were mostly cloudy. The temperature was 83 degrees, the dew point 41, and the relative humidity 22%. The wind was southwest at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure 29.73 inches and rising. At San Angelo, skies were mostly cloudy. 82 degrees, dew point 45, and relative humidity 27%. Wind south at 12 miles an hour. Pressure 29.79 inches and rising. At Junction, skies were partly cloudy. 81 degrees, dew point 47, and the relative humidity 30%. Wind southwest at 9 miles an hour. Pressure 29.85 inches and rising. And now for other locations across west central Texas. At San Saba, it was clear, with a temperature of 80. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 82 at Brownwood, and 77 at Sonora. At Sweetwater, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 83. Elsewhere across the Lone Star State. At Amarillo, blowing dust was reported, with a temperature of 67. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 77 at Austin, 76 at San Antonio, 76 at Houston, and 77 at Brownsville. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 76 at Lubbock, 75 at El Paso, and 76 at Dallas-Fort Worth. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 84 at Wichita Falls, and 80 at Midland. And again, at Abilene, skies were mostly cloudy. The temperature was 83 degrees. Wind was southwest at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of west central Texas. For this afternoon and tonight, critical fire weather conditions continue across portions of the Big Country and Concho Valley this afternoon. A red flag wearing remains in effect. Elsewhere, elevated fire weather conditions will also continue as near record temperatures combine with gusty winds and very dry conditions. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday with above normal temperatures and very dry conditions. Elevated fire weather concerns will continue through the Christmas weekend and into early next week. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not anticipated at this time. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. What? Southwest winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. Where? Fisher, Nolan, Haskell, Throckmorton, Jones, Shackelford, Taylor, and Callahan counties. When? From 10 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A wind advisory means that winds of 30 to 39 miles an hour with higher gusts are occurring or expected. Winds this strong can knock down tree limbs and make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Secure loose outdoor objects. Here is the Abilene area forecast. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Christmas Day, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Tuesday, decreasing clouds. Highs in the mid-70s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. The Abilene climate summary for this evening, as of 5:15 p.m., December 24th, 2021. Today's high temperature was 87 degrees.